Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thank you guys so very much for checking out my content. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can use AliExpress to import products to your local market to make a lot of money. So this is not about drop shipping. You're not just listing products on your Shopify store. You're actually importing physical products to sell on your local market. And this is something that I've been doing for a while now. And I've made over 50,000 US dollars in sales and approximately $40,000 in profit doing this exact method. So I'm going to log into my AliExpress account, well, one of my AliExpress accounts, just to give you an idea of the quantity of orders I've placed and received from my supplier in China of this one single product that I've been selling on my local market to have made over 50,000 US dollars in sales. All right, so my last order, as you can see here, which was January 16th, which was about 6 days ago, was for 500 units. And I usually order anywhere from 100 to 500 units at a time, depending on my stock level and the demand. So what I'll do here is I'll continue to scroll just to give you guys an idea of the quantity of orders that I've placed over time. So I've generated over 5,000 units in sales. I currently sell these items for like $10 per unit, which would equate to somewhere about $50,000 in sales. It's quite possibly it's more, but I'm just giving you a rough estimate. So you guys can just do a quick check as I continue to scroll. So you'll see different orders popping up on your screen. As you can see here, I pay roughly a dollar, $2 per unit for these items. So you can do the quick math just to get an idea of the quantity of these items that I order from time to time. All right, so I'll continue to scroll just to prove to you guys that what I'm showing you and what I'm saying to you is actually true. All right, so I could scroll continuously, and this is just one of the accounts, guys, that I use to place orders for this product on AliExpress. All right, I could go to page 2, and as you can see, I'm sure I've passed over a couple hundred or probably a couple of thousand orders so far of this product that you're seeing here. So let me continue to scroll just to give you some rough ideas. All right, so I'm sure I don't have to scroll through the entire list just for you to get the idea that I've sold over 5,000 units of this product on my local market. So this is my actual social media page. This is a brand that I have. At first, I wasn't private labeling these items. I recently started private labeling, but initially I wasn't. And as you can see here, these are some fan pics, some of my supporter pics, product shots that I use to market my products. So there was actually no website. This is a purely social media driven sales using Facebook and Instagram to generate that kind of sales. All right. So basically, how do I do this? How did I find this market? So what I did was I actually used AliExpress to do my product research. You want to go to AliExpress whenever you're ready, and just go through the categories and try to find something that looks unique, something that is not overly saturated on your local market, something you think you can sell to actually make some profit, or you can do some other external research somewhere else on the internet. All right, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to show you the process of finding products and communicating with suppliers to get the best deals on items that you want to import on your market to sell. All right, so earlier today, I was doing some research and I came across something called magnetic lashes. Right, so I ran it into Google Trends. So Google Trends is where you can go do product research or research on anything basically just to see what kind of search results these actual keywords are getting. So as you can see, Google Trends, this item, magnetic lashes, was trending up in the middle of last year between July and August, and then it fell off, right? And then it started to go up in November of 2017, and now it's trending up for 2018. All right, so as you can see here, this is a map of the world showing you interest by region. The highest the interest goes up to is 100, which shows that that country is very, very interested in that product, and that's where most of the persons are searching for that product. So United States is currently at 100, Canada is currently at 82, Australia is at 59, and UK is at 62. So this is really good insight, which is telling me that persons in this part of the world is very much interested in magnetic lashes, and it's probably a good item to start importing and selling or drop shipping, whatever you want to do with magnetic lashes. So what I did was I went over to eBay, and this is the same process I used for my actual product, but I'm just showing it to you with another product that you can actually use, because I'm not even sure if I'm going to be importing magnetic lashes. But if you want to steal this idea, you're free to do so. All right, so you want to go to eBay just to get rough ideas of what these products are actually selling for. And what I've realized here is that a 12 pack 3 set is selling for about $12.99. If you click on this, you'll get further details. But a 12 pack 3 set is selling for $12.99. A 1 pack of 3 is for $4.99. All right, so over here on AliExpress, I'm just going to search for magnetic lashes, just to see what they're going for on AliExpress and to see if we can negotiate a price to import these items to sell them for. We don't have to go as low as eBay, of course, right? But somewhere around this price, I would probably say $10 per unit is the highest you want to go. So I want to see what they're going for here. So this is saying a four-piece set is for $1.24, right? A three-piece set over on eBay is for $4.99. So that is telling me that I can actually import this product, sell it for about $10, and make a really good profit margin on this item. So what I would do from here is to go and contact this supplier to find out if they would be willing to sell me in large quantities of about 100 up, and if that's the best price I could actually get them for. So once you click on the supplier name, you want to look for where it says contact now. You click on contact now, then you just want to send these people a really easy message. Keep it binary, you don't want to be too complex. These persons don't really speak English very well, and they don't write it very well, so you want to type binary. Ask very simple questions and tell them exactly what you're looking. So I've gone ahead and I've prepared this message here, which I'm going to read it for you because I'm not actually going to contact the supplier, but I wanted to give you all the details that you could possibly need to go ahead and contact a supplier to see if you could actually import products from AliExpress to sell on your local market. So my message is saying, hey, I was browsing through your catalog and came across these really cool products that you're selling. I'm currently looking for a supplier for these exact products and was wondering if you could be my supplier. I see that your price is $1.24 per unit on AliExpress. So I want to know if that's the best price you sell them for. I am interested in ordering 100 units to start with, and then increase over time. Please let me know as soon as possible. And then I would add my Skype address, because these AliExpress sellers, they seem to communicate by Skype more than anything else. It's either email or Skype. Most of the times they're going to ask me for your Skype address. I usually just put it in my message right away. So at this point, what you can do is contact more than one suppliers, because as you can see here, you could actually find multiple suppliers of the same item. So just to be more productive, contact more than one supplier just to see who responds first and who gives you the best deal. Once you're have done that, then it's basically for you to agree on a price, agree on a quantity, place an order, and get it imported to your country, get it sent to your country. I'm currently in Jamaica, so I usually just ship mine through the United States and then to Jamaica. All right, so a lot of you guys are gonna ask about duties and stuff. When I'm sending them to the United States, I don't pay any duties. I'm not sure if my supplier has to pay any form of duty payments when they're sending it to me, but ever since day one, I've never paid any form of duties in the United States. And then when it comes to Jamaica, I do have to pay a little bit of duty to clear my items. And trust me, even after duties, I can still make between 70 and 80% margins importing these products from AliExpress. All right, so that's basically the simple process. So how do you market these products and how do you sell them? Like I said earlier, I use social media exclusively to market and sell my products. There is no website. It's social media and word of mouth, really. And I also have made published my items in Facebook groups. So groups work really well if you can find local buy-sell groups in your area then you want to target those as well to help market your products. All right, so basically I think I've covered everything that you need to know to import products from AliExpress, and you can actually totally do this from wherever you are in the world to actually start making some money for yourself. So that is where I'm going to end this video. I really do hope you like it. I really do hope it helps you to get started doing something. So this is for you guys who don't want to get started with dropshipping. Maybe you don't like the model. Maybe you like to sell physical products. This will work for you. So you can import products from AliExpress or even Alibaba. If you want to go larger quantity and get better prices, you could go Alibaba instead of AliExpress and use this exact method to get products to your local market to market those and sell at profit. All right, so that's where I'm going to end this video. And I do want to thank you guys so very much for continuously watching my content. If you have any comments, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer. Leave a like if you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe just so you don't miss any of my future videos of similar content. All right, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.